TNFA stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So as I'm looking at TNF Pharmaceuticals stock, the price been melting like quite a bit. 20% down is one heck of a movement. And generally speaking, this is previously how my chart looked like. And I'm not quite positive if there was actually even any drawings before this TNFA. Like, let's see. Yeah, nothing really much on the chart. And I'm not even a big fan of this current chart that we have, because it's not looking good. It's bearish. It's a bearish range, it's coming down from some supply areas up there. And the only thing that I'm actually going to consider something bullish is if we start breaking above it, above 195 and 194. So yeah, that's about how it looks like. More likely, like the most likely thing that's going to happen next is we're going to clear the lows out. Again, I'm not trying to even short this. It's just from a lot of discretion, from a lot of experience. I'm not because the rules are not meant, there's no way that I'm just going to short. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.